video today. We're gonna play Build a Boat for Treasure in Roblox, and I want to show you guys some tips and some tricks you can do with thrusters. So number one, over here. So you have to unanchor everything. Put a hinge. Make sure so you take out a hinge. So like this. Then you tilt it one time, and then you can use any block, extend it as long as you want. And then you put a lot of thrusters inside of each other, which I'll show you later. And crazy. So make sure you lower your volume on your device. Right. Yeah, so that's one of them. And then number two, oh yeah, I'm gonna show you how to put it inside of each other. So first to do this, and then use any block. You can just use wood, I guess. And then extend it as long as you want. And then take some thrusters and then you zoom in like this. Make sure it's not touching the ground, and then put it inside of it, and then put your mouth in the same place. And then you have I had 21 of these and 2 of those up. And this has 23 thrusters. Man, crazy. Right. Number 2, you can do the cake glitch. This one is really cool, but don't jump. Okay, so you take a cake, put it in your butt, and then thrusters, put it inside of each other. So this one you can do the same thing, do this, and then like that, keep doing it, keep putting them inside of each other until you don't have any more, unless you don't. And then until you don't, or the same amount, as much as you want. Oh my god, you kidding me? Right. Keep it go, and then this. Wait, hang on. I know what to do. Okay. Make sure it's okay. Yeah. I just keep spamming it. Sorry, for a second I thought it wasn't going inside. Yeah, there we go. Right. Delete that and that. Alright, ready guys? And don't jump on. 3, 2, 1. Whee! I mean, if you want to jump, this is what happens. Oh my god! What the heck, bro? Don't jump unless you want to try making it to the end. Right, I'm stuck in this draw. How much money did you get? Oh, 9. It's not a lot. Yeah, that's crazy. Make sure you don't do that. Right, number 3. Right, so first things first. Let me think how I do this. Oh yeah, alright. So for the pole. Oh yeah, this can be any block. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure it's in the center. 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's like a plus sign. And you can make it as high, or you can make it as long as you can, as you want. I prefer this amount. Yeah, that's a decent amount. Yeah, that's good. And now you need some thrusters, obviously. And this one you need 4 thrusters, so at least. Oh, hang on. Alright, I think it's okay. Alright, now take the white ones. Alright, this is good. And then this. Yes. Alright, now you want to place a seat over here. Oops. I can't place it. Alright, there we go. Yeah, alright. Ready for some blasting speed? Well, I am. Make sure you lower your volume, okay? Watch this, guys. Let me hit the ground. Oh my god! Whoa! You go to the nose zone, and then if you want to raise your volume a little bit so you can hear this. I'm gonna jump, and then well, sometimes if you go very high or down in the nose zone, everything it goes completely crazy. Like if you're gonna die, when it says oof, it'll be like oof. It will sound different, and it's really cool. Right. So those are all of the fun tricks you can do with, well, not all of them, but like top 3 that I like. And you can also use this code, and it gives you, I already used it, so it gives you some 3 trees, some balloons, neon blocks, cake, and there's probably one more. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you use these tricks when you play Build-A-Boat. See you in the next one. Bye bye.